Good morning, bird brains, and welcome back to the Dyna build series. Today's episode is episode 9. Today we are once again welcoming a new sponsor of the channel. Help me give a nice warm welcome to Luminex Sporting.
Hey guys, just wanted to pause the video here real quick. Most of you guys know there is some production time from when these videos are shot to when these videos come out. Unfortunately, that does sometimes cause problems like it does today. So from the time of recording this video to the time it's being released, Luminex Sporting has actually gone through a rebranding. Luminex Sporting is now going by the name of Rogue Rider Industries. The products will be the same, everything else will be the same. I just want to give you guys a quick heads up in case the website I take you to takes you to Rogue Rider Industries. Same product, same guys, just different name. At the time of releasing this video, the website still reads Luminex, but just want to give you guys a heads up in case that does change. I will be updating the link in the description as soon as I get word of the new URL to their new website. But just know, if you click on a link and it takes you to Rogue Rider Industries, that is Luminex Sporting. It is the same products, same guys. Like I said, just want to give you a quick heads up in case it takes you somewhere you're not expecting. It is the same stuff. All right, back to the video.
Luminex Sporting is a US-based company that makes LED products for Harleys. Their main products being turn signal inserts for both the front and the rear, headlights, as well as LED bars. They were nice enough to send me out some inserts for the front and the rear, as well as one of their awesome LED bars. So that's what we're going to be installing today. Outside of the actual inserts themselves, we are also going to be installing some clear lens covers. Those are actually not from Luminex Sporting, but they're actually rather from Chris Products. I will link that down in the description, as well as all the stuff from Luminex in case you want to buy some for yourself. So enough of me jabbering, let's go ahead and get to work.
Electronics. Is that right?
God damn it, I see every single LED on the back of my eyelid. Oh, I could literally count the number of LEDs on that thing. Whew, I forgot that they're on constantly, so I was looking straight at it when I turned it on. Alright, well that was extremely easy and quick. Pretty much just like any other LED insert, a very simple plug and play install. What I do love about these though, one thing that is different from the Custom Dynamics is when they are white, I know it's really hard to see, but every single LED is on, as opposed to on the Custom Dynamics, it only has the ring. And then when you turn the turn signal on, all LEDs also turn orange. So that is one cool feature that these have that the Custom Dynamics do not. The rears are just solid red and blink. Those are pretty much just like all the rest of them. But they look really good with these clear lenses. Now what we're going to do is take take off the fairing and get ready to install the LED light bar in the front. Oh, and also we got the live stream going, and Miss Bird's down here. God, that was a big smile. Got Uncle Ken, man in the chat, everyone on the live stream, chatting it up, having a good time. If you're interested in the live stream, that is part of the Patreon package, so head over to the Patreon link down in the description if you want to check that out. Alright, so quick updates. We got the LED bar installed, put on the bracket first, and then kind of had to finagle our way to get to the mounting bolts to the actual LED bar. The fork boots definitely didn't make the job any easier, but thankfully we were able to turn enough to get a T-wrench in there and get it torqued down. Now what we're doing is trying to hide this I talked to the owner. He said most of it can be balled up underneath here. So I'm gonna try that first, since I'm kind of low on room back here underneath the seat where I would have liked to put it. So we'll just try to work around these wires, try to get them tucked away and looking nice. Alright, so a little update here. So what we have determined is that we're going to actually do it right. We're going to trim the wires down. We're going to solder, pretty much cut all the wires and resolder them, because we found out that on the switch side we have about 8.5 foot of wire. On the light side we have 9.5 foot of wire. Yeah, so we're going to cut those, trim them, and solder everything back together. All right, so what you just saw. So we shortened the wires, got that all taken care of. I suck at soldering very badly, so that took forever. Got everything wired up, got everything tucked away. I was trying, when you saw me with the Dremel, what I was trying to do was actually Dremel out a hole within my fuse box to run my trickle charge pigtail out. That wasn't working. And then we got the LED head bar or LED light bar kind of sort of semi-aimed and got the fairing back on. So everything should be good to go. Before we sign off though, I'm gonna go ahead and cut to a comparison of the different lights and stuff and how it looks now with a full frontal of LEDs. Alright guys, that's going to be it for Build Series Episode 9. Once again, a special shout out to Luminex Sporting for sending all this stuff out. Of course, as always, expect a initial thoughts review, as well as long-term reviews and things like that. Shout out to all the Patreons that were checking out the live stream. Shout out to Uncle Ken, who was manning the chat all night long, also giving me a helping hand, both with the chat and on the bike. As always, if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, links as always down in the description. If you have any questions or comments, comment section below. If you like this video for any sort of reason, please go ahead and hit that like button. It does do a ton for the channel. If you haven't already, what the hell are you doing here? Hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.